Good morning. My name is Jennifer, and I am representing the director of the Brookfield County Health Department.
Welcome this Hassan, and I'm representing Healthcare Community Profile New Executive Director.
Greetings, Hassan. How are you today?
I'm doing well today. HCB recently received a letter from department that will lose 3 grants without meeting the public health accreditation requirement.
I am concerned that the health department's requirements were not met for the 9 standards and that there might be issues with a corrective action plan. The funding for prenatal, newborn, smoking, and immunization programs are currently at stake. I understand that you are a new executive director and have not had the chance to create much change in the organization yet.
Yes, I'm aware it, and I'm working with my employees to educate them the importance of addressing the deficiency in a timely manner.
Okay. Is it possible to create such a large change when the extensive review of HCB has not been conducted yet? How do you plan on helping the staff to realize the importance of these issues and have the resources to follow through with the corrective action plan?
I hire new quality assurance support, also currently trying the agency management team to do good business practice, and COVID-19 has created issues reaching our goals. We requested public health department that give us 6 months to do all the correction, but we need additional resources so we can do our job.
I understand that. Yes, we can support the training and changes you are trying to implement by providing the training for your staff for free and giving you additional grants to keep the programs currently running and up to date.
Due to COVID-19, it's difficult to meet the additional requirement within time asked. We have had to make for the health and safety of employees and community. We have changed some of our staff to support healthcare workers within COVID-19. They have been to test the community, and we need to hire more staff in order to keep up with the demand from every day and meet the requirement you're asking. And our community are varied, like language barriers, and also has stigma about accessing the service they need. So it's very difficult at this time to meet. So we need more resources and we need more support.
I understand. I am willing to grant an extension from the 6 months to 10 months. Could we create a time plan with monthly check-in points, offer mandatory training for your staff, and sign an agreement to hold HCB accountable while still giving you the time that you need? We would be willing to allocate several of our staff members to assist with COVID-19 testing so the core HCB employees can return to the organization and assist with working toward compliance.
Have monthly meeting with the staff to review plan, action, and procedures that it could be greatly appreciated if you could replace the staff temporary until the epidemic under better control, so our staff can receive training, help us to implement the strategic action plan that we can develop together.
Perfect. In the past, programming has not been geared towards what the community really needs. In return for allowing the extension on the corrective action plan, I would like to have more control over the programs you create for the community in order to better serve their needs. They are lacking in health promotion programs and social determinants of health.
I already stated I'm new executive director, and I'm to the agency. We doing in the requirement, but I'm not able to sign the agreement now because I want to discuss with the plan with my board of directors to ensure that we are in agreement. I'll send you an email within 2 business days with any change or any question that you may have. Allow me some time because of the COVID-19. We have difficult and very busy life.
Of course, of course. How do you plan on ensuring your staff is on board with these trainings and will actively participate in the programming to work toward compliance with our 9 standards?
All over my employees bonus by the end of the year. They will complete the task and meet the goals to reach compliance for the standards to meet accreditation. As long as they meet, we'll make them happy and we'll support them. We want to promote health and promote the safety of our employees.
Yes. I look forward to seeing HCB move toward compliance of the health department to continue their accreditation and to receive funding. The community is in need of the services this funding is utilized for, and we look forward to working with you, the board of directors, and the staff members to achieve this goal.
Thank you for coming today and consider the circumstances we are facing due to the COVID-19 pandemic and my new position as director. I will do my best to communicate effectively with you, my organization, staff members, and board of directors. And that always will promote and help community to build better service and also to respect different technologies and also use evidence-based by helping and also to promote best business practice. Thank you.
Thank you for your time and have a great day.